All right, y'all, so look, I'm just gonna get straight to the point with absolutely no hesitation at all. I haven't said that in years. That's crazy. For those y'all wondering where the hell I went, no, I am not dead. Fully alive, I'm fully functional, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why people thinking I'm dead. I'm not dead. I am literally ranks HTX on every other platform. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, even Facebook now. I just no longer post fitness content. I'm gonna get more into that later on in the video. But that's not what we're here to talk about. Because I'm gonna bore y'all with explaining why I'm not here, so y'all care for the title of the video. Why on earth am I having this constant time where it's like I go to the gym, I work out, and then when I'm done my workout, this outer part of my forearm is in pain. It hurts, it stings, this stupid tingling feeling that goes up to from your upper forearm, and it's like the back of your hand. It's mad annoying. It takes like a whole day for it to go away, and it stays the whole day, consistently staying the whole day. So you're sitting there wondering, why the hell, what even is this? The correct terminology for this thing is lateral epicondylitis. You cannot pay me enough money to say that bullshit again. Nigga, this is called tennis elbow for anybody that's wondering. It's called tennis elbow. The irritation of the tissue connecting the forearm muscle to the elbow. It can essentially be caused by repetitive wrist and arm motions. Yeah, so for those that be beating your meat too much, hey, chill out on that shit. Alright, chill out on that shit. I know you doing that shit still. Nigga, relax. But if that's not the reason, then let's keep going on forward. This could be caused for multiple reasons. In my case, I would say this was exactly when the pandemic sort of like started ending and they started opening the gyms up and stuff like that again. Now, when they started opening up the gyms again, I started going straight into working out, you know what I'm saying? I was in there, you know what I'm saying? And that was the first thing that happened. I watched an Athlete X video. Shout out Athlete X. I saw the video on him. I saw his video on how to cure it, but it was like a temporary fix. I didn't want a temporary fix. I wanted a permanent fix. I wanted something that would stop this thing from happening altogether. So I'm like, what in the world is causing this issue? I'm sitting on YouTube one day and I swear it is so crazy the way life works. I see a video made by Simian Panda, boy Simian Panda, you know what I'm saying? Shout out my boy Simian Panda. So we made this video, right? And within this video, it essentially was titled exactly how this video was titled: How to Get Rid of Tennis Elbow. And I'm like, I don't exactly know how to get rid of this shit. So let me watch this video to see exactly how to get rid of it. So when I was watching this video on how to get rid of it, the one thing that he was saying, right? The one thing that he had in common that was the number one issue was a particular muscle group that some of y'all are probably working on. Can y'all take a guess as to what muscle group you guys are working on that's causing this issue? I give y'all a hint. It's somewhere in your arm, dickhead. It's your triceps. You are working your triceps. And by working your triceps is somewhat causing this tennis elbow issue to occur. In that entire video, every single exercise that he was claiming in order to that would cause these issues worked the tricep in some way, shape, or form. Whether it was a compound movement or an isolation of the triceps. They all did. Matter of fact, I'm about to go pull up the video right now. I'm gonna be right back.
3:28 a.m.
It's funny how that YouTube added this new feature where it's like it shows the exact replay part. The most replay part of this Simian Panda video that I'm watching right now was the exact exercise that I was doing that caused the damn issue. It is tricep push downs. Y'all know when you grab the little tool, the guy got the rope with the two ends, and you grab it and with your chest up, you push down. You know what I'm saying? You push down. When you push down, you flex your triceps like this, right? I kid you not. I completely cut that exercise out of my routine entirely. It sounds stupid. I know I probably sound stupid saying this to you, but the second I cut that out, I didn't have it ever again. Never again. Why was the case? Now, was it smart for me to cut it out entirely? Hell no, it wasn't. Now, why exactly was I experiencing pain or discomfort when I was performing this? The way I was doing this, for one, was the form was trash. All right, the form was trash. I'm gonna be honest with you, I was ego lifting. I would put on too much weight to the point where my form started to sacrifice. I damn near would pass out trying to do these reps, and all for what? So that I could show other niggas in the damn gym that I can do tricep push downs with the 80 weight selected. Like, you know what I'm saying? I put on 80 pounds. Oh yeah, cool. I can look cool. At the expense of what? Please understand this. Ego lifting does not get you bitches. It doesn't get you money. It does not make your life any better. All it does is this false perception in your brain that is allowing you to have an excuse for shitty form, lifting too much weight that you cannot handle, and using muscle groups that do not need to be involved. I cut that exercise out entirely. Should I have done that? Probably not. I probably should have done lighter weights with a lot more reps. That's probably what I should do. That's probably what y'all should do too. So if y'all do things like skull crushers, like the behind the head skull crushers, even bench pressing at the same time too, or tricep push downs, do realize this. Anytime you're working the triceps, anytime you're working the triceps, improper form, right? Ego lifting. What else? Just things that you're not supposed, that you know damn well you're not supposed to be lifting that damn much. You know you can't. You're over here using your back into it. Calm down, bro. All right? Nobody's gonna give you a trophy for you lifting that damn much. And then another thing y'all gotta realize, please understand this. You are making yourself 10 times more injury prone. For what? Satisfy your ego. So what I did was, in order to get rid of the tennis elbow, was I stopped doing tricep exercises in general. The only thing I do that's anything related to the tricep directly is the bench pressing. I don't even bench press that much weight in general. I don't like heavyweight bench pressing just because it applies, because I got little ass wrists. I got small wrist. Do you genuinely think this little ass wrist can uphold about 300 pounds? Of course it can't. I wear wraps. I have like gloves with wrist support whenever I do bench press, but still, it is not ideal for me to try bench pressing high amounts of weight. So I do low weight, high reps for bench press. Plus, I don't even like bench pressing specifically just for my triceps. It doesn't really work my triceps that much. It doesn't even work my chest that damn much. I like pec flies over bench pressing. That's just me. So essentially, if you're having tennis elbow, either one of two things. One, you're freaking doing something wrong in your form as far as exercising, and it's probably related to a tricep exercise. So you need to look at your form and you need to turn the weight down. Make sure you warm up, please. So many people keep trying to not warm up. Please warm up whenever you start exercising. That stuff helps a lot. Another thing that could possibly be a culprit is, we don't like to admit it, but this and being on your keyboard a lot, that stuff plays a big role. I get it. You want to look cool in front of all these people, but please, that's the one thing you need to do in order to get rid of tennis elbow, because that stuff, it lasts the entire day. It irritates you. You feel like a bitch and it annoys you. All for what? So you can put 100, 200 pounds on a freaking exercise that you're not even made to do. Now, for anybody that was curious as to how to get rid of it, that's how you get rid of it. Thank you guys for watching. But for anybody wondering where the hell I'm at, I didn't ditch y'all. I just sort of lost this like strong passion to make exercising content. Now, I get it. I get it 100%. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people loved my content. A lot of people just loved hearing me. A lot of people love the energy. I respect it. I do. But I just didn't see longevity in me making fitness content. Now, you may ask, why the hell am I coming back? I don't fucking know. I just like making content. Straight up, I just like making content. I may start making shorts too as well. Shorts be popping off on YouTube. I'll be seeing that. And for anybody watching, it's your boy Frank, and we out here. Peace.